Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Call of Duty Warzone error code invalid platform. The error reads, Invalid platform. As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch Call of Duty Warzone through Steam. In some cases, users reported that the error also affects their entire Steam library. According to our research, this error usually comes due to compatibility issues, missing updates, or problems with game files or storage devices. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with your internet. To do this, shut down your device completely and unplug it from the power source. Then do the same with your router. Then wait for a few minutes, then power them back on and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if you have any pending updates for the game or Steam. Simply launch Steam and go to your library. Then right-click on Call of Duty Warzone and check for any available updates. Also, check for Steam updates and install them if available. After updating, see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, try verifying the integrity of the game files. To do this, open Steam, then go to the library, then right-click on Call of Duty Warzone and select Properties. Under the Local Files tab, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Then wait for the process to finish and check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues and you are using a hard drive, try removing it from the device and restarting your system. Once the system is restarted, try launching the game again and check if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still persists, try reinstalling both Steam and the game, and see if this helps with the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.